we learnt representative value, arithmetic mean. Today we will learn in representative value, median and mode. Let us discuss about the median. Median is the middle observation. Median is nothing but middle observation of given raw data when it is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So, median is nothing but middle observation of a given data when we are arranging the data is in an ascending or descending order. Here, when the data has n number of observations, if n is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th observation, and if n is even, then the median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation, nothing but average of middle two observations. Now here median is nothing but most middle term of given data when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. If the data has n number of observations, then if n is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th term. If n number of observations is even number, then median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Next, mode. Mode is nothing but most frequently. Frequently means a repeating value. So mode is nothing but most frequently occurring value of a set of observation is called mode. Mode is nothing but most frequently occurring value, most repeating value, most recurring value is called mode. For example, Raju is last year 2018-19 batch. He completed 9th class. Most of the times he got first rank in his class. Then what is the mode of first rank of 9th class? Raju. Why? Raju is got many times first rank. Then Raju is coming for very frequently to get the first rank. Then Raju is a mode. So which the observation we are getting repeating, recurring, then the observation is called as a mode. The monthly income of 7 graduates is 8,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees, 8,200, 7,900, 8,500, 8,600 and 6,000 rupees. Find the median income. Is asking to find the median income. The given income of 7 graduates. Income of 7 graduates they given. They are asking to find the median income. So first the given data we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Arrange the income in ascending order. Then ascending order we have to write nothing but smallest to biggest. So here smallest is 6,000 rupees. Next 7,900. Next 8,000. Next 8,200. After 8,500. 8,500. After 8,600. 8,600. After 9,000. So here 7 graduates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 graduates. So here, which is the middle term? Let us see. First, cancel the extremes. After the extremes, again after the extremes. Yes. Then which is the middle term? Fourth term. So here middle term is fourth term. Middle term is fourth term. That is 8,200. Therefore, the median income is 8,200 rupees. So the given observations, first we have to arrange in ascending order. After arranging ascending order, which is the middle term, we have to identify. Then the middle term is a median of given observations of data. Find the median of the data, given data, that is 48, 49, 15, 20, 28, 17, 14 and 10. So you should find the median of given data. Solution. First arrange these observation in ascending order. So arrange the observations in ascending order. So the ascending order is smallest to biggest. First is 10, after 14, after 15, 17, 20, 28, and then 48, 49. 48 and 49. So here total how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations are there. So here number of observations 8. Now we should take the middle observations. So let us first cancel the extremes 10 and 49. After that 14 and 28. After that 48. 14 and 48. After that 15 and 28. Then remaining are which terms? 4th and 5th term. 17 and 20. 17 and 20. So middle terms are 4th and 5th terms. Middle terms are 4th and 5th terms. They are 17 and 20. Now we are getting 2 terms. Then what we should do? So here to find the median, we have to find out the average of these 2 numbers. Now median of 4th and 5th terms. Median of 4th and 5th terms. Nothing but average of 4th and 5th term. observations by number of observations. Now 37 by 2. Let us cancelize it. 2 ones are 2. Remaining 1. 2 eights are 16. Remaining 1 point. Nothing but 0 10. 2 fives are 10. Then median of given data. Therefore, median is equals to 18.5. Yeah, the median is 18.5. So, if here number of observations are 8, then we got middle 2 observations. We got 2 observations middle. So, by taking 2 observations, we have to find out the average of their observation. Then you will get the median 18.5. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. So these are the set of numbers. For this set of numbers, we have to find out the mode. The set of numbers are 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 7, 3, 2, 1, 7 and 3. So solution. Here, first we should arrange these numbers with the same value together. So arrange the numbers with the same value together. With same value together we have to arrange. So first same values. First least from least we will write 1. After that 2, how many times? Here and 2 times. So 1 is completed, 2 is also completed. Next go for 3. 3 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 3 is 4 times. We should write it 4 times. 3 is also completed. And next 4. 4 is only 1 time. And next 5. 5 is also 1 time. 5 after 7. 7 is 2 times. So, like this, the given set of numbers we should write. We should arrange the numbers with same value together. Then we can identify easily which is the mode. So here, which is the repeating value also we can identify easily. So here 1, it does not repeat it. Okay, 2 times. 3 is 4 times repeated. 4 not repeated. 5 also not repeated. 7 is repeated 2 times. Then which number is occur more frequently than other number? 3. 3 is occur more frequently than other number. So 3 occurs more frequently than other observations. 3 occurs more frequently than other observations. Therefore, mode is equals to 3, which is repeating more frequently occurring value, that is called as a mode. Then here 3 occurs more frequently than other observation, then 3 is a mode. Long jumps by 7 students of a team are 98 centimeters, 125 centimeters, 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 174 centimeters, 140 and 155 centimeters. You should find the mode of given data. So for this long jump of 7 students, we have to find the mode. So here solution. First these long jumps we have to arrange the observations with the same value together. So arrange the observations are long jumps with same value together in centimeters. So arrange the observations or long jumps with the same value together. So first arrange the same values from least 98 centimeters, and then after 125, yes, 125 centimeters. After 140 has two times, 140 centimeters, 140 centimeters. After that 155 and 155 also two times is there. So 155 centimeters, 155 centimeters. After that last observation 174 centimeters. So you get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations of 7 students. Now we have to identify which observation is occurring more frequently. Here 140 is 2 times, and as well as 155 centimeters also occur same times. Then 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters occur more frequently than other observations. Then here mode is what? 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters. So mode is equals to 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters. So here mode is 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters. So this kind of mode is called as a bimodal data. So therefore this kind of data is called bimodal data. Bi means two. If two observations we are getting as a mode, we will call as a bimodal data. Worksheet on data handling. First one, find the median of first 6 composite numbers. So you should write the first 6 composite numbers, and then you should find the median of the first 6 composite numbers. And second one, find the mode of the data. The data is numbers given 3, 5, 9, 6, 5, 2, 3, 5. So for this data you should find the mode. And third one, find the median height in centimeters of 5 players are of a team are 160, 158, 159, 162, 165 centimeters. Then you should find the median height. Now fourth one, define median and mode. So you should write the definition of median